Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I've done a couple of videos on this subject, but I had a viewer or subscriber wanting me to do these two letters and where they would engrave at different depths. And you could run this all at one time, and the black might engrave a little deeper. And well, it will, but not really noticeable to me the way I would do it. And you could use color mapping, but I found it's a lot easier to just drag it off the the page. So I've got my smart fill tool fed on black with no outline, and I'm going to fill in that with black, and then I'm going to nudge it over, and then I'm going to go through and I'm going to change my color to gray. Doesn't really matter which one. And then I'm going to fill in everything that should be gray. We're going to have to zoom in here and get these two little parts, get back to our smart fill tool and fill that in. Now, if you would run this at whatever speed you feel comfortable, like 100 speed or 100 power, 70 speed, and then just let me back up here, and then I've got my nudge factor set pretty high, and then take this black and put it back. It's in the exact right position, and then run this at a 100 power, 50 speed, and it's going to engrave darker, so it's going to look like it overlaps like it should. And the good advantage of this, if you're not quite satisfied with that, you can just rerun it again and make it a little bit deeper, and you'll have good, crisp, clean lines. And let me just back up here. And then so this is what your product going to look like. It's going to be darker, and I would take away the hairlines. As long as you don't do a combination job, it's not going to cut. But in just in case you were, you could you wouldn't have a vector line there. But this is going to be a good, clean, sharp, to me, non-bleeding engraving. Anyway, I hope it helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.